Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a question that Amrita asked me. She asked that on the lat pull down machine, why does machine feels difficult as compared to when you do the same exercise on the pulley? So let's discuss that in today's video. So this is the first video in which Amrita is doing lat pull down on lat pull down machine. Okay, that was the first repetition. Now let's see two things. First thing is we have to see how much is this handle moving and how much is this weight stack moving. Okay, let's play it again. All right, so let me play it again. So this is the starting position and this is the end position. Okay, now let's see the distance. This is where the handle started, this is where it ended, this is where the weight started, and this is where it ended. Okay, now if you see this distance, let's call it A, and this distance, let's call it B. They are equal to each other. A is equal to B. That means this ratio is 1:1. This is called 1:1 pulley ratio. Let's see what's happening in the other video. This is the video where she's doing the same exercise on the cable station machine. Okay. And let me also mention the weight that she pulled here. This was 30 kgs. Okay, this was 30 kgs. The weight she's lifting here is 50 kgs. Okay, now let's again check the starting position of the handle, and this is the starting position of the weight. Let's play it again and see how much displacement is happening. So handle has moved here. So this is the, my drawing sucks, man. This is the distance and this is the distance. Let's call it A, let's call it B. In this case you will see that A is to B is about 1:2. Okay, this is 1 and this is almost twice or maybe thrice. So this is called 1:2 pulley ratio. Now in the pulley ratios, 1:1 is the ratio where you will feel the resistance the most, and in such ratios where it's 1:2 or 1:4, the resistance will feel lower. In gyms, pulley ratios can be 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1. Higher ratio means a longer cable, lower resistance. So in this article it says higher ratio number means longer cable and lower resistance. So that is what was happening in the case of cable station. It was a longer cable, the resistance was lower. Now that does not mean that the weight she lifted in the second was not 50. It was 50, but what her muscles experienced was not 50 because the longer cable length. Now the same thing, it was 30 kgs in the lat pull down machine, but since the cable was equal, so the resistance what she felt, her muscles felt, was actually that. So that is what happens when we do similar exercise on two different machines with different pulley ratios. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any such questions, drop them in the comments and I will make a video on that soon. I'll see you in the next one.